I am going to create a text animation here again, so I will take a frame. Write a text. I will write Figma. Create a circle. Give it a color. Put the circle back to the text. Create a star. You can take anything like ellipse or triangle or whatever you like. Give it a color and set the opacity to 0. Select circle and text and duplicate it. Now select one ellipse and text and make a mask group. Now select text of mask group and give it a color of white. Duplicate the frame. Select both circles and move it right side. Bring the star to down a little and make opacity to 100. Now it's time to add prototyping. I will set it to after delay of 1 millisecond and Smart Animate. And it's done. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.